How to change a WhatsApp group name. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change WhatsApp group name. In order to do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your Android device. Once you have opened the application, here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page or chat page. Now here you will need to go to the group chat for which you would like to change the name. Simply tap on the group name, and once you reach to the chat page of the group, here tap on the group name at the top of your chat screen to open the group info page. Once doing that, here you will be able to see this interface. Now, in order to change the group name, you will need to tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, a menu will appear. Now here, you will be able to see the option Change Group Name. Simply tap on it, and then a field will be appear in this page. Now here you can clear the previous one and enter a new name. Once after entering it, tap on this OK option at the bottom right and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see you have successfully changed group name on your WhatsApp group. Also note that you must be the group admin to change the group name. If you are not an admin, you will not have the option to edit the group name. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.